Hello everyone, today we're gonna add some shooting mechanics and some juice to our turrets that we made. Although keep in mind that these methods right here are extremely inefficient. These are just for the sake of tutorial, and then whenever the series ended I will do a refactoring. The way that we're gonna handle damage this time is through interfaces. I've already made a video about interfaces, so go check it out. But the thing about interfaces is you cannot pass a variable, so our damage number is always set. But for the sake of tutorial, this is fine right now. And this class is going to take a float for health, and then it is going to implement the interface. And whenever the interface is called, the health is going to get reduced by 1, and it has to check out if our health is less than 0, the object should be destroyed. Next up, we're going to create an attack handler for our turret, which is going to get a reference to our targeter script, so we can pass in the target that we cached in the other script. And since we're going to be using coroutines for this, we need to create a private event for seconds and cache it somewhere. And since we wanted to repeat, we put the syntax of the coroutine inside a while loop, so it keeps on repeating. And then don't forget to call the start coroutine method. Next up, we're gonna try to give it some juice by adding a line renderer to our turret. This is just, and it's gonna try to mimic a very bad laser. So you can see some properties need to be set. The line renderer, how it works is you set some positions, or give it some positions, and it renders a line between those two positions. And you can, of course, change material. And how we can set it by script is we first get a reference to our line renderer, and then we make two methods, one for drawing and then the other for clearing the lines we made. Since we only need two vectors here, one for the starting position and the other for wherever our target is, our draw line is going to require two vectors to be passed in. Then we just simply say line renderer dot set position, and set position requires an index and a vector. You can also replace these set position by set positions and pass in a list of positions. And then we're going to go back to our attack handler and get a reference to our line renderer script and just pass in two vectors, one for where our turret is and the other is for where the target is. And this is how it works. Subscribe and like this video. More tutorials will be added each week. And just make sure to follow me as we try to make a very janky game. Thanks for watching.